Om Sai Ram, friends. This is Venkat for Starsa.com. One of those beautiful thing about Sai Baba is that he inspires us to show devotion on all the gods and goddess we used to like. One of those dreams which I got many years back is about is as if I'm going to many sacred rivers across India, and the most importantly, um, there is a river called Satluj River in Punjab in India. So it was as if I am going to the Satluj River, and I feel like as if I am taking bath. And in the uh, somewhere near the river, I see a very beautiful small statue of Balkrishna. I don't know why I got this dream, but I felt really blessed when I got this dream. So I wrote the devotee's experience as a devotee's experience in my stasa.com, which I'm going to share with you and read it along with you. I hope you will like it. So its title is Balakrishna and Rivers of India. I had a beautiful dream as if a divine friend is taking me to many rivers in India. It was such a vivid dream that I am waking up, walking by a river bank and reaching a temple. There are huge steps inside the temple. I climb up the stairs and take sacred ashes kept there. In the corner is a beautiful Balakrishna statue. I realize that's why devotees sing Balakrishna bhajan all the way. So it was as if someone very divine is taking me to this beautiful Bal Krishna beautiful sacred rivers across India. And specifically, I'm going to a river called Satluj River. And I can also see a beautiful statue of Bal Krishna in a temple, a huge temple. There's also a vision of small temple city being flooded with river water. Then I hear the word Satluj. I can also see River Ganga. The dream was so true to my heart that I felt as if I have traveled all the sacred rivers of our country. I woke up, switched on my computer, and searched for Satluj. Satluj is the longest of five rivers that flows through the historic crossroad region of Punjab in northern India. It is located north of Vindhya Range, south of Hindu Kush segment of Himalayas. It is also known as Red River. So this is this beautiful Satluj River, photographs used with courtesy. Yeah. I also checked mails I received from devotees, and a devotee Lakshmi had sent this mail. Hi Sairam, very interesting websites. You are like my brother, divine brother. What you have written in your articles are similar to mine. So much is there to share with you. Really regarding Sai Baba, he is a Kali Yuga sacred gift. Then she adds, Sai is like a Ganga. I love him deeply. I love him deeply more than myself. So this is, I've told you many times that I learn more about Sai from the devotees who write to me and who speak to me. So it was like when I got this dream, I whenever I get a dream, I immediately go and search on Google Maps. I search Google for related articles or blogs about it. I search for anyone who has sent me mails related to that. So the beauty about this particular dream is that when I got this dream, I felt that Baba is washing away my sins, and all these holy and sacred rivers across India. Baba cares for the environment. That is another message, and it is our responsibility to take care of this environment. And most divine experience about this dream is about this statue of Bal Ganga, I mean Bal Krishna, which I really felt happy about. And of course, I was able to relate to this devotee called Lakshmi who wrote to me that Baba is like Ganga. Of course, Baba is certainly like a Ganga. He's a divine saint who washes away your sins that you've accumulated in several previous births. The sins done by your parents, your grandparents, your great grandparents, unknowingly whatever sins they have done, Baba's showing devotion and Baba will wash away those sins. It's like showing devotion and Baba with that bhav, with that pure expression of love, which certainly is equal to bath, taking bath in sacred rivers. So I will continue reading. I felt Sai has washed away my sins by blessing me with the dream of Ganga and all the sacred rivers in India. I also listened to beautiful song of Lord Krishna in Tamil. It was 4:24 a.m. when I woke up after this dream. So I also did a search to understand if there is a photograph on the internet which can tally with the Balkrishna whom I saw in the dream, it was like this actually. Balkrishna I saw in dream. The Balkrishna I saw in dream was similar to this statue. I felt divine and happy and kept chanting the holy name of Sri Krishna and Mother Ganga. Anyway, this was an experience which I had, and I really feel happy to share this with you. And this is the Sutlej River which I want to share with you guys. See this beautiful, and you can see the location in India map. I mean, it's situated over here. Yeah, I love looking at Google Maps, and whenever I get a dream or whenever any devotee says that they are from this particular region, I immediately request them to tell me where their house is located, and I fascinate looking at that on Google Maps. Anyway, that is probably because I am from Coimbatore. I have not traveled much beyond Mumbai, so yeah, that's what I do. But one more thing I want to add in this is that I've written many articles about Lord Krishna in Star Sai. Surprisingly, more articles about gods and gardens I love than Sai himself. This is an article about a very divine temple called Uthukadu Kalinganarthana temple, situated in Tamil Nadu. It's a very beautiful temple. You should visit this temple if you get a chance. And I've written few more articles about Lord Krishna, a devotee called Radha Krishna Mai, and yeah, there is also an article about how this beautiful statue of Radha Krishna came to our home. I will write and I will make a video separately about that. Hope you like this experience of mine, friends. Sai, the moment you say Sai, Sai, Sai with Bhav, with Madhur, with that, it's like honey should come out of your mouth. Don't do it mechanically. Do it as if honey is flowing out of your mouth. Say Sai, Sai, Sai. And when you offer a glass of water, chant Baba's name, Sai, 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 Om Sai Ram, Om Sai Ram, Om Sai Ram, Sai Krishna, Sri Krishna, whatever it is, and then drink that water. Remember that it is like Ganga, it's like drinking the holy water of Ganga, and you are purifying yourself. This morning, my mom was not feeling well. She was really in pain, and I took Sai Satcharita and read Baba's holy stories. That is the easiest, simplest sadhana. If someone is not well, if you are really into some problem, immediately take the book of Satcharitra and read it. You will feel the experience of Sai in your life. Om Sai Ram. This is Venkat, firstasa.com. Om Sai Ram, Om Sai Ram, Om Sai Ram.